Tired of learning in bits and pieces? Jumping between front-end, back-end, and deployment tutorials? Let's just fix this once for all with the full-stack Python program certified by IIT Guwahati. This isn't just a simple copy-paste course. You'll build live projects using Python with Django and Flask, APIs and automation tools, React for the front-end, Git, Docker and AWS for the DevOps, SQL, MongoDB and PostgreSQL for the data control. Why IIT certification makes a difference? It's an IIT credential, built by top academicians and trusted by top companies. It shows that you're not just learning, you're just leveling up your industry-validated skills. What makes this program the best? Mentorship from IIT and industry experts, real-world projects but not dummy assignments, alumni and hiring network that opens doors, career coaching, mock interviews and placement support. Stop watching others, crack it, and it's your turn to code the change. Enroll now, Python is waiting.